Today you'll have to be very quiet and keep your hands washed, kids, as we observe the Canis domesticus virus in its wild habitat, otherwise known as the virus doggo.
It's on the move! Absolutely extraordinary. You can see his Unicode capsid from here, his protein shell. The spikes on his back are called glycoproteins and help it stick to the host cell and invade.
Beautiful. Now, we must be very careful to not get too close without protection. It can cause disease, and that's why we have these.
If it's a retrovirus, it will try to insert a DNA copy of its genome into us and try to replicate. It could turn out really nasty, really quickly.
If everything goes according to plan, we are going to catch it and bring it back to the lab to inspect. But these sorts of things are dangerous, and if you're faint of heart, you might want to look away. I heard that there are viruses that infect and replicate within a bacterium, a microorganism that can cause disease, aka a pathogen. No!
Get a vaccine so you won't get infected.
Oh my god, if only it were the lysogenic cycle and could stay dormant, we might have a chance. I'm sorry.
It's too late to apologize.
Well, don't be too alarmed, because the decomposers will carry out the circle of life, as we all know, kids. Okay.
Now that we're back in the safety of our lab, let's discuss the mania of today's episode.
We first saw the virus, which is surrounded by a protective coat made out of proteins. What is this coat called? A capsid!
We also saw the spiky party hats that help it stick to the host cells and invade. What are those called? Glycoproteins!
Viruses cause disease, which is why you're being so careful. But to avoid getting a disease, you should do what? Get a vaccine! Duh!
If the virus inserts the DNA copy of its genome into us and tries to replicate, what would this kind of virus be called?
A retrovirus. Now, what kind of cycle killed Nuki? The lytic cycle.
Because it bursted my cells to try to replicate and spread quickly.
So, what cycle stays dormant until active?
Lysogenic. There's another type of virus that infects and replicates within a bacterium. What is
Bacteriophage?
You got it! They are a microorganism that can cause disease, also known as a pathogen.
Anyways, guys, catch us next time at biologycoolkids.channel.org. See y'all later!